Welcome to Southern Star Automotive. We got an 05 brand new arrival F250 Super Duty Lariat model, FX4 off-road. Beautiful inside and out, one owner, no accidents, fully loaded, and we're gonna just take you around for a tour of it. You got an 05 FX4 model, fully loaded, with power windows and door locks. Nice leather steered, leather wrapped steering wheel, leather interior, power seats, heated seats, power door pedals, nice clean headliner, non-smoker truck. Comes with the factory running boards, factory alloy wheels, nice set of Michelin tires, about 75–80% life left on them. Take a look at the back seats, nice and clean. Headliner, clean as well. Does have a power sliding window on the back. Comes with a nice wood grain dashboard. Folks, these videos are for illustrative purposes. We understand you still gotta come out and drive them and inspect them for yourself. This one comes with a factory towing package, bed liner. Overall, a clean looking truck. No dings or scratches on the outside. Take a look at the back seats again, other side. Door panels are clean. F250 POWERSTROKE 6.0. Power seats and heated seats on the other side too, on the passenger side. In-dash CD player. It is a four-wheel drive. It is a local Georgia truck that hasn't been in the mud and heavy terrain yet. So there you have it. 05 F250 FX4 Lariat model. Every option that you can put on a truck, this one has it. We want to invite you to come and look at it. We just got it. SouthernStarAutomotive.net. We do have financing for this heavy duty trucks. We're at 3695 Buford Highway. Visit us on the web at SouthernStarAutomotive.net. We are ready to serve you.